Where are we going?
We're going to the USA.
It's a fun family trip.
Yay! I'll pack my bag. I'll pack my bag. Take your clothes and your favorite toy.
I'll check the tickets and passports.
Dad, how long?
We'll reach soon.
You'll see a big airplane.
I'm excited. This place is huge.
Many people travel here.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
May I see passports?
Here you go.
What is this?
It's your boarding pass. Put bags here
Why?
for safety. It's quick.
I see airplanes.
Our flight is soon.
Sit and relax.
I'm happy.
Time to board.
Let's go.
Stay close.
Window seat.
See the clouds?
Seatbelt, please.
Okay. Can I have juice?
Of course.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Get some rest.
I'm tired.
We'll arrive soon. We arrived in the United States.
We're here. Welcome. Where are our bags?
On the belt.
Look carefully.
I see them. Welcome. Reservation?
Yes, under my name.
We're happy to be here.
This place is great. Nice room.
I'm glad you like it. Let's rest.
We will explore tomorrow.
Many amazing places are waiting.
Part 2 is coming soon. Stay tuned to our channel.